Mobile devices obviously are pretty huge nowadays in terms of being able to interact with them. As you saw when we look at this, for example, we are actually in a web interface here. So if you have a tablet, you could actually go through and then access this information very quickly and easily. What we also have though, so if I go to my finance and operations application here, we also have the ability then to use a handheld scanner, for example. This is an example. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this just really quickly. Excuse me, cancel out of this, go back to our main screen. This is an example of an application that you can install on an Android device or on an iOS device to go through a lot of those basic inventory type transactions. I can process outbound shipments from here to do picks and packs and all those different types of operations. But I can also do the production process as well. So I can actually, from that Kanban screen that we are looking at, go and do that transfer to take that product quantity and then bring it to that particular location. I can also then report serial numbers, for example, that I'm producing, or even put away production as part of that process. So full mobile apps as well exist, so that way you can use your iPhone or any other device that you may have as part of that process.